Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to view your direct debits and standing order through Barclays app. So for that, you have to make sure to follow this step. First thing, you know the drill, log in into your Barclays mobile banking app. And once logged in, go to the payment section of the app. This may be labeled as payment and transfer or something similar. Now within the payment section, you should see option to view and manage your direct debit and standing order. You look for specific tabs or section dedicated to each one and select the option to view your direct debit or standing order. You should see a list of all your payments set up to be taken from your account automatically. You can manage debit and standing order. From the list, you can typically manage your direct debit and standing order in your various way, including after that, you could go ahead and enter or edit your payment details or canceling the payment details or setting up a new payment as well. Go ahead and confirm the changes, and once the changes are confirmed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the changes have been successfully applied. So that's how you can view and manage my direct debit and standing order through the Barclays app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.